for your assignment in content today, since we are learning about Wisconsin, we are going to do a KWL chart. Some of you might be familiar with the KWL chart, but the letter K stands for what you know, the letter W stands for what you want to know, and the L stands for what you learned, okay? And then we're just going to draw a line under it and divide your paper into 3 columns. So I'd like you to do that, please. Big K, big W, big L. Then you're going to write the word know, want, and learned. So what do I already know? What do I want to know? And what did I learn? Then the column that you can figure out before learning or moving forward with something would be the what do I already know? So I'm going to use lacrosse, for example. You guys are going to use Wisconsin. All of you will use Wisconsin, but I don't want to use that one because I don't want to give you the answers again. So what do I know about lacrosse? Okay, I know it's in Wisconsin. Okay, and notice I used a bullet point. So you can just use dots to mark your ideas. You don't have to use complete sentences. I know lacrosse has a big river, or actually rivers, a couple of them. And I know lacrosse is really known for their bluffs. Okay. What do I want to know? Well, I would like to maybe know who named lacrosse. So who named it? Maybe when it became a city, because ever since I've been here for 10 years, it's been a city, but I don't know how long it's been a city. So I'm gonna ask when it became a city. And I don't know, there's a couple other things I'd wanna know. Maybe how did they use the river? Because I know that there's a lot of rivers here, but I wonder if those were important to the city or how the rivers are important. So how are the rivers helpful to the city? Okay, so I have 3 things that I already know about lacrosse. There's 3 things I want to know about lacrosse, and I can't fill out the L side until after I've watched the video. So now you guys are going to do the same thing with Wisconsin, okay? So instead of lacrosse, you'd write Wisconsin, and then you're going to write 3 bullet points about what you already know about Wisconsin. Then you're going to fill out what you want to know about Wisconsin. So 3 bullet points on things that you would like to learn more about Wisconsin. And then you're going to go watch your video, and your video is going to be all about the state. And then when you come back from watching your video, or as you watch your video, you can pause it and write down facts that you've learned. I want you to write 3 more things that you learned from watching the video about Wisconsin.